Capturing a likeness in graphite is always a challenge, but there's something uniquely captivating about Timothee Chalamet's features. His face is a blend of sharp, angular bone structure and soft, expressive eyes, a perfect subject for exploring the range of graphite pencils. Today I'm breaking down the process of how I translated his likeness onto paper. Every good portrait starts with a solid map. I began with a light HB pencil to block out the proportions. With Timothee, the key is the jawline and the heavy-lidded gaze. I spent extra time ensuring the distance between the eyes and the bridge of the nose was exact. If the initial's right, no amount of shading can save the likeness later. I kept the lines faint, almost ghost-like, so they wouldn't indent the paper once I moved into the darker values. Using a 4B and 8B, I established the deep shadows of the pupils and that signature tired but soulful look he carries. Transitioning to his hair, I used a variety of strokes to capture those messy, effortless curls. Graphite is perfect for this because you can use a blending stump for the base shadows and then go back in with a sharp mechanical pencil to define individual, stray hairs that the light. I used a 10B pencil for the darkest shadows under the chin and behind the ears to make the face pop forward. And there we have it, Timothee Chalamet in graphite. It's all about the balance between those harsh shadows and soft transitions. Thanks for watching the process. Let me know in the comments who I should sketch next. If you have liked my portrait drawing, then please like, share, and subscribe. It won't cost you to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.